In a digital world saturated with noise, where the crypto landscape is often dominated by fleeting memes, speculative hype, and promises that evaporate under scrutiny, it's easy to miss the projects focused on fundamental innovation. But beneath the surface, one initiative is quietly engineering a foundation for the future of digital finance. This project isn't chasing headlines or celebrity endorsements. It's positioning itself for something much bigger, more durable, and profoundly more significant. Meet Kaspa. It isn't loud, it isn't flashy. It's a project built by engineers for an economy that demands performance, security, and decentralization without compromise. While others build marketing campaigns, Kaspa's community has been heads down, focused on solving some of the most complex challenges in distributed systems. The result? A roadmap that doesn't just promise incremental improvements, but targets a complete paradigm shift. In 2026, through a series of deliberate, powerful upgrades, Kaspa could become one of the most important proof-of-work networks on the planet, a secure, scalable settlement layer for the next generation of finance. Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the engine driving this quiet revolution. We'll explore its groundbreaking consensus protocol, DAG-Night, a mechanism designed to achieve near-instantaneous transaction confirmations while maintaining the robust security that only proof-of-work can provide. We'll examine the monumental engineering effort of its Rust rewrite, a move designed to unlock unprecedented performance and efficiency, pushing the network toward its ambitious goal of 100 blocks per second. 100 blocks every second isn't just a technical milestone, it's a catalyst for entirely new use cases, from real-time streaming payments to frictionless global commerce. We'll also look at the burgeoning ecosystem, the critical path to smart contracts, and how real-world payment solutions are already planning to leverage Kaspa's speed. This isn't just a story about technology, it's about a meticulously planned strategy to build a financial instrument of global importance. This is the breakdown of how Kaspa's methodical execution could trigger one of the most underestimated breakouts in crypto history. Right now, Kaspa is consolidating. Sideways price action, very little mainstream attention, and that's exactly why most people are missing it. Because while the market focuses on short-term narratives, Kaspa's developers are doing something far more important, rewriting the rules of proof-of-work itself. Kaspa launched with no pre-mine, no insider allocations, no VC hype machine. That meant fewer headlines, but far stronger fundamentals. While other chains spent millions on marketing, Kaspa focused on solving the blockchain trilemma: security, decentralization, and scalability. Behind the scenes, distributed systems engineers debate mempool policy, tune gossip propagation, and profile bottlenecks. They simulate adversarial latency, measure orphan rates, and harden peer selection. Each iteration cuts confirmation variance and reduces resource footprint, bringing practical scalability closer, not with slogans, but with reproducible benchmarks and peer-reviewed code. The heart of Kaspa's 2026 vision is DAG-Night, a next-generation consensus protocol designed to overcome the fundamental limitations of traditional blockchains. Unlike a linear chain where blocks are added one by one, Kaspa utilizes a BlockDAG, a directed acyclic graph. This structure allows for multiple blocks to be created and confirmed in parallel, dramatically increasing transaction throughput from the outset. It's a foundational shift in how a decentralized network can achieve consensus at scale. But DAG-Night isn't just faster, it's adaptive. This is its true genius. The protocol intelligently adjusts its parameters in real time based on network conditions. When the network is stable with low latency, confirmation times become nearly instantaneous, providing a seamless user experience. However, if the network comes under stress from high traffic or a potential attack, DAG-Night automatically widens its confirmation window. This dynamic response maintains extreme security and network integrity precisely when it's needed most, resolving the classic trade-off between speed and security that plagues other systems. Even more impressive is the protocol's design goal: achieving a 50% Byzantine fault tolerance. This means the network aims to remain secure even if half of its participants are malicious or faulty, a level of resilience that most blockchains, which typically tolerate only a third, can't even approach. This ambitious target for finality provides a powerful defense against sophisticated attack scenarios. Underpinning this performance is a complete rewrite of the node software in the Rust programming language. This isn't merely a code update, it's a fundamental re-architecture for maximum efficiency. The new modular design leverages Rust's strengths in concurrency and memory safety, allowing for parallel transaction validation and superior mempool management. This engineering effort enables the node to scale effectively across modern multi-core processors, reducing resource usage and paving the way for the ultimate goal, 100 blocks per second. Kaspa already runs at 10 blocks per second. The 2026 target, 100 blocks per second. That puts Kaspa in the same conversation as Visa-level throughput, but fully decentralized and proof-of-work secured. This is powered by a full Rust rewrite, unlocking massive parallel performance across modern hardware. If you're starting to see why Kaspa might be massively underestimated, hit the like button and subscribe, because we cover the project's Wall Street notices after it's too late. Technology alone isn't enough. Adoption matters. In 2026, Kaspa's ecosystem is expected to mature through Layer 2 solutions, EVM compatibility, and enterprise initiatives like the Kaspa Industrial Initiative. This is where real finance enters the picture: settlement, payments, and infrastructure. And this is where projects like Zebek come into focus: real-time payments, streaming finance, on-chain payroll. When high-throughput, fast-finality networks like Kaspa intersect with real-world payment protocols like Zebek, you're no longer talking about speculation, you're talking about infrastructure. By mid-2026, roughly 95% of Kaspa's total supply will already be mined. That means shrinking new supply, just as adoption could accelerate. Conservative estimates see modest upside. More bullish scenarios, assuming execution and market strength, place Kaspa far higher. This isn't about hype, it's about math. Kaspa isn't trying to be loud, it's trying to be right. This focus on correctness is evident in its core architecture. The DAG protocol moves beyond a simple chain, creating a BlockDAG that allows for parallel block production and resolves conflicts efficiently. It's an adaptive system, designed to tighten confirmation windows under stable conditions and widen them under stress, aiming for robust security without sacrificing speed. This foundational strength is amplified by the complete rewrite in Rust, a language chosen for its performance and safety. The new modular node architecture leverages modern multi-core hardware, enabling parallel validation and significantly improving throughput ceilings while lowering resource usage. The result is a network targeting 100 blocks per second. This isn't just a technical benchmark, it transforms the user experience. It enables near-instantaneous small payments, viable microtransactions, and rapid settlement for financial applications, all secured by proof of work. This capability is attracting a growing ecosystem. We're seeing development towards Layer 2 solutions and potential EVM compatibility, alongside essential tooling like SDKs and advanced wallets. This paves the way for enterprise use cases, from treasury operations to machine-to-machine payments. Projects like Zebek illustrate the potential, building real-time payment streams for payroll and subscriptions on these powerful rails. But it's crucial to acknowledge the risks. Technical execution, regulatory shifts, and market cycles all present challenges. Key milestones to watch are protocol releases, throughput increases, and the launch of ecosystem projects. With its fair launch, declining emission schedule, and a majority of its supply set to be mined by mid-2026, Kaspa presents a unique economic and security model. When you combine the foundational technology of DAG, the performance leap from Rust, the real-world utility of 100 blocks per second, and a maturing ecosystem with clear finance alignment, a compelling picture emerges. 2026 could be the year the market finally catches on. The question isn't whether this technology works, it's whether you noticed it early enough. Subscribe for more deep dives like this and stay ahead of the curve. Please remember, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.